Myself Vishnu Priya Gadde. I'm working here as a harvest manager with the Diggy Bill. It's been like from past 7 months, and I came from India. My father is also a farmer. We own the farmlands. The way we do farming here is quite different from what we do back in India. A lot of technology, advancement. I did my bachelor's in agriculture, where 3 years is completely on the college, like where you learn theory and practical stuff. And the last year will be completely working with the farmers, literally keeping all your theoretical knowledge into the practical. Dickeyville is a family-owned business, and we do have 2 farms, one in Mafra side, one in Queensland, Rhineland side. And we do grow vast variety of leaf crops, spinach, chard, mizuna, tatsoi, coriander, parsley, corals, iceberg, cause lettuce. We do the mesclun mix, salad, Caesar salads, different kind of products. I got like 2 major tasks. I'm the one who is responsible for the forecasting the crops, when they're gonna come to harvest, projecting the yields. Usually at this point of time, they come to harvest in 55 days. Yeah, so I need to project the numbers, like expected numbers per meter, to make sure we could able to sell all our produce. And the second is the people management. As I'm hand harvest manager, so I got like nearly team of, at the moment, nearly 25 people that works on the farm, team leaders or the working crew. So I need to look after their hours, looking after their performance, KPI management. I usually look after the hand harvest crops, especially the cause lettuce, iceberg, and the corals as well. And it's usually a seasonal kind of operations. Usually when it's winter, the temperatures or the whatever the climatic factors in Queensland is much favorable for the crops. So a lot of production happens there. And when comes into summer, bulk amount of production happens here. And the area wise, this farm is bigger, Mafra farm is bigger than the Drinian one. The hand harvest crops, which I'm looking after, cause, corals, and the iceberg, is like, I can say, bit hard crops that are not sensitive to the little changes. Definitely quite challenging with working in this intensive cropping. It's been really great and quite challenging for me, but definitely learned a lot from their working environment, or how the people in the work culture, even the work-related stuff, dealing with the pressure, stress, physical, and trying to get better in what I'm doing. Yeah, which is really good for me. I'm happy with what I am now. And yeah, agriculture is definitely not a profession, I say, definitely way of living, as everyone says. Because of that, I'm getting a little bit stressed at the moment, but that's okay. At the end, I'll be shining like a star.